Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing my winter morning routine with you all. The first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is stretch, and then I pick up my phone and just scroll through Instagram, replying messages. Finally, after I muster the courage, I stand up from my bed. Almost always my hair is always a mess, so I have to repack them so I can see road to do other things. Yeah, then next I move on to opening the curtain. I don't leave this open all the time, especially because the bathroom faces this. So when I do go have my bath, I close it up and I spare a few minutes to do amebo just to see what's happening in my neighborhood. And oh, look at that, I just found my long lost bracelet. Nice one, nice one. Next I go into the bathroom and I brush my teeth. I've been getting into the habit of using a mouthwash after I brush my teeth. I don't know how important that is, but my mouth feels so much better. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you know the drill. Thanks for stopping by. If this is not your first time, appreciate you for supporting my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my morning routine, winter morning routine. I typically wake up very early. Actually, that's a lie. I sleep late, and then I wake up around 8ish, 9, and then I go ahead and prep myself, prep the house if need be. So today I need to wash the bed sheet, and I have a meeting with a friend of mine who's going to teach me color grading, and then after that I have to edit 2 videos from my memory card. I can finally just format my memory card and start afresh. I'm thinking, should I schedule a new video for today? I'm not sure, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm in the bathroom now and about to brush my teeth. What you guys saw me apply earlier was the Kiehl's gentle milk exfoliating toner. So that's what I have on my face. I'm just gonna leave it on for the duration of my morning routine and then wash it off when I go and have my bath. Let's brush our teeth. So to brush my teeth, I'm gonna be using this Crest Scope toothpaste, and I'm one of those who presses her toothpaste just to make sure everything is leveled. Let me know, comment down below if you're one of those. And of course I'm using my mouthwash right after making some ugly faces, I cleanse my mouth. And finally I will be washing my bed sheets, so I'm just taking those out so I can put them in the washer, add some bleach and some detergent and what's not so that it washes. Of course it's gonna wash, Maryann. Okay, so this is me finally heading to the laundry room, and I'm just going to dump all those clothes into the washer. I'm going to add bleach and I'm going to add liquid soap and just turn it on. I would also be removing the clothes that we have in the dryer. For some weird reason, I feel like a dryer, there's something wrong with it these days. Like, it doesn't dry properly. I have to dry it like 10 times, which is ridiculous, and I didn't used to do that initially. So I'm definitely going to have my husband check that out. I'm finally in the kitchen and I'm just like arranging all the plates, putting them in the dishwasher because thank God for technology. Washing plates with hands is like so stressful. But yeah, that's what I'm basically doing, just putting them in the dishwasher. And the ones that I forget to put into the dishwasher for some weird reason, maybe because I wasn't wearing my glasses this particular scene. Yeah, I had to use my hands to wash them physically, like the glass cups. Oh yeah, I was wearing my glasses, so I don't know what happened, but I had to wash them by hand. And because the dishwasher had already started washing, I didn't want to have to stop it, and the water is now everywhere just because I wanted to add like 1 glass cup. Yeah, so I'm just adding the dishwasher soap. I usually mix this and the liquid one, but you guys didn't see me do that here, but I actually did. I don't know, it just gives me that satisfaction and the idea that it's gonna wash my face better than just using the pods. So I'm washing our cups and just cleaning the surface areas. Can you see that cute duck? Yes, so cute, in the Christmas spirit. And yeah, I'm also going to do the same thing on the oven top, on the cooking top, just wiping it down with our multi-purpose cleaning spray. I really like this one because the smell it gives is also like, it has that nice clean smells. And now I'm just pouring myself a glass of wet blackberry juice just because I just need to relax. It's been a stressful semester. Next, of course, I'm going ahead to prep my
coffee. I will be having some biscuits and coffee this morning because I was just too tired to cook anything. And yep, so while that is prepping, I am just here sorting out our new couch, the throw pillows. I don't know if I told you guys, but this couch is too soft, so I don't know, we're still thinking about it because it's stressful returning it. It's just a whole mess, so we're trying to figure it out. And of course, I'm just having my glass of juice with my biscuits, enjoying life. Any small money you have, or you better enjoy life because this life is just once. Anyways, I'm just doing that and watching one of my favorite shows, which is Dynasty. I think I finished watching that series like that day, so definitely go watch Dynasty out if you have, check it out if you haven't already. And I'm just scrolling through my Instagram page again, replying messages, stalking some people on Instagram. And yeah,
friends who happens to be an editor, videographer, is going to be teaching me. He's a color gradist, so he's going to be teaching me how to color grade today. Trying to reach him now, he's not picking, but I'm sure he's going to pick up eventually. I don't know if I've shown you guys, but for my new camera arriving later this month, which I'm so excited by, I got some lenses. So this is going to be my vlogging lens. This is the Sony 24mm 2.8, very expensive lens for investment. And then this is the 50mm lens, portrait pictures, client pictures and stuff. Yeah, so those are the two lenses that I'm going to be starting off my Sony switch with. The thing I hate about this laptop is, so the laptop is sitting down, right, and then you lift it, like the screen, whatever they did here is not tight enough, because the minute you lift it, it like just slides down. It's just scary because it almost feels like the screen, the part is about to fall out. So I have a package that just arrived, the Kiehl's stuff. I don't know if you guys saw from my previous live video that I ordered some more Kiehl's. They were having like 30% off, and in addition to that you get a free product. Who does not have a free product? It's cold. Yeah, so let's do a little unboxing. This came in like this. I'm not sure how I should feel about this, but I saw this thing where you said, what is it mean? I think there's something, I don't know. It's still at customs. They are still checking it, but they said they are supposed to call you or something. I don't know if you can go back to where they shipped it. I'm watching Jay, by the way, on YouTube. Ooh. Congrats!
You've done on me what was done on you. It's hard to forget, but I get confused. Trying to be strong, and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I'd like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from them must be divine, divine, divine. Yeah, I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for. I forgive the way you always seem to ask for sometimes. I wish you were there to show me you care. So many things I wanted to share. All of those times it didn't feel fair.
These pimples are just... That's why I hate praising like beauty products, because the minute you praise them, it will just go and then make your skin worse. So my skin is basically crying right now. So that's basically it with today's morning routine. That took a while, and now because it's holiday, I don't have any major work aside YouTube to do, so I'm just gonna basically lay in my spot on the couch and get some sleep. I am going to go take some melatonin so it can help me relax and sleep, and then I'll drink loads of water and just come here and just relax. I'm also going to need to clear my nose because I can already feel like mucus building up. But yeah, that's basically my routine for this winter. More on just relaxation, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe, make sure you subscribe and join the family if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys so much. Bye.